we can talk about housing trust is very important. Housing first is very important. And those initiatives do make it work. But we have to create more permanent housing for people in this community. That is first. We do have to have relationships with more landlords so that we can have shelter plus care vouchers. Those are real things that we need to do. We need to make sure we also are preventing homelessness by making sure that we have more rental opportunities for those people who are falling into homelessness. Those are real things that we need to do as an administration. And as the mayor of Nashville, Tennessee, I would ensure that there will be more permanent housing for our community. I would ensure that we do have an increase and better relationship with landlords. And I will also work to cure the problem of poverty in our city. Because we all talk about big initiatives. The biggest initiative in this city is our people. And we have to deal with those social and cultural concerns that are causing our people to be in the position they are. I chair the Homelessness Commission, and I'm not proud that we have not moved beyond where we are. But what I have done is develop a heart, a soul, and a commitment. Government can make a change. We've got to adequately fund it. We've got to adequately develop partnerships to bring outside funding. As mayor of Nashville, I will do that. I will move you off the streets, not by force, but by compassion and reality.